Hey friends, if you wish to reduce or change the size of the hiberfil.sys file on Windows, then please watch this video. Now let me explain the context. So you know that there is a hibernation mode in your system. The hibernation mode actually pulls your system to 0% efficiency, I mean 0% power usage. It stores all the data on your SSD or HDD drive. However, the RAM is shut down. Okay, so when the RAM is shut down, it will save the data on the SSD drive or the HDD drive, but it is saving it on the drive. And if it is saving on the drive, obviously it occupies a lot of space, right? Not as much space as the data would originally occupy, but yes, it does occupy a lot of space. Now, if you are trying to use the hibernate mode, right, and you would be using the space, let us assume that your system does not have that space and you try to enter the hibernate mode, then what would happen? Would your system not hibernate? No, that's not going to be the case. I'll tell you why. Because your system will immediately generate a certain space in your computer. I mean, not generate, but sidelines a certain memory on your computer, not memory, disk usage on your system for hibernation itself, right? Let's say a few GB of data for hibernation itself. And that file is called the hiberfil file, which is dormant on your system when you're not hibernating your computer. And it will be used when you actually plan to hibernate your computer, okay? So what should be the minimum size of this file? It should be 40%. In some versions of Windows, it's 100%. In Windows 7, it's 75%. And if you wish to reduce that to save space on your computer, here's my suggestion, just one suggestion. And I always give the best ones. I mean, I could have simply set it to 40%, but that would make it inefficient. So we can set the size to 50% using this command, which is powercfg.exe space / hibernate space / size space 50. Copy it, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator and paste it, hit enter. And now they have changed the hiber file size to something else. Okay, 50%. And that's okay. That's okay actually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.